I forgot to do an intro. We are off. Oh, hello. We are off to another motorcycle garage that hopefully will have a chain for Brad's motorbike. Ew, nice. Literally got still on this road for like 17 minutes, I think Brad said. Something in my bag on the back. It digs into my back. Anyway, last hotel tonight in Belgium, and then it's home. Only a 4.5-hour journey. Nürburgring. The Nürburgring is 9. It's not gonna happen because it's not open till 5 o'clock. But hey ho, what can we do? So straight to the hotel and then chill out. So yeah, that's today. Interesting. I have to say, Germany is my favourite country we've visited. I love the Autobahn, obviously, but everything feels more like home. It's very clean, just, I don't know, it just feels right. Now, don't think I'm racist or anything like that, but the only thing I don't like is the language. I don't like the way they speak. Like, I did German at school and failed it because I just didn't like it, you know. That's not me trying to be dickish, I don't know. But I really like Germany, so maybe I will have to put up with the language. Favourite place though has to be Monaco. Monaco is beautiful, and I love it. Yet again, no chain, but this bike shop, Polo, really cool. It's got a shit ton of stuff in it, and very nice woman in there.
If I take the most direct route from here to our hotel, and then from the hotel back to my house, it is 588 miles. On a chain that's hanging off. Let's do it.
Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what cleans my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what cleans my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole.
Okay, well, I haven't vlogged much because, as you can tell, everything's pretty bit fucked, really. Yes, Bradley over here, he's doing very well. Myself, I'm fucked. I am absolutely fucking drained. My phone is dead. I cannot charge it on my bike. So, we stopped off at a little restaurant, had some food, had some spaghetti. But this chap's for the past, I don't know, 20 minutes, I've just been talking a different accent all the time. Like, I don't really know what accents I'm doing half the time, but you know, I've got nothing else to do to entertain myself. The visibility is bloody terrible. You can hardly see 2 feet in front of you, but you know, I'm just here trying to entertain myself, you know. But I do not know the way. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but yes, I do not know the way. In from where I am from, we do not get weather like this. No, it is sunny all the time. Not this water falling from sky. Like, what is this? I do not understand. But it is kind of nice, but very horrible at the same time, because we are trying to ride and get to the hotel, which we are about 20 minutes away now. But it is making things very difficult because Bradley's tires, they are not enjoying the rain. It is getting a bit squirmy, but you know, we can only do what we do. I do not know the way. My phone is dead, as I said, but you know, I can follow Bradley and it will be all okay, because as soon as we get to the hotel, I just want to strip off and get naked, you know, not you know, naked, just in my boxes, and you know, get warm and snuggle, and not snuggle with Bradley, but you know, just try and get warm and chill out for a bit, you know, because tomorrow is our last day. We are back home tomorrow, so yes, chaps, tomorrow we get home, and do you know what the first thing I'm going to do? I need to put myself a fucking massage. Oh yes, I am. Fucking hell, my body feels like it's fucking destroyed. My neck, fuck me, my neck is fucked. But yes guys, I probably won't film anymore. I'm just gonna get to the hotel and kind of keep up like this to entertain myself. Fucking Jesus. Well, we didn't die, but that was a good one. Cheerio, chaps. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye. I'm now wearing me boots, man. Oh, there. Oh, it's all a squidgy. I want to piss myself just to try and warm myself up. I'm really tempted to piss myself. I'm only kidding. Oh, that's better. Opening my visor. I can actually see something. There's a snake in my boot. Be here somewhere. Be here somewhere. No, don't do this, Brad. Don't do this.
Are we in someone's driveway again?
Don't say that. Okay.
Alright, I took us to the driveway this time.
Yay! Wait, Brad! No! I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. Some kind of shelter.
And it's hidden.
And my fuel light just came on.
I know it would, 144.
Boom. Whoa! What am I on? The amount of water in my boots is insane.
Yeah, when we came to the roundabout, I put my leg down. All the water that came in through the vent that was up in my ass. My boots. It's where it's wet. Hey! Hey, fogged up camera. Basically, it's so wet that the GoPro's not turning itself off.